Just a few days ago, I received some new carbon steel cooking grates that I ordered for the Camp Chef Woodwind pellet grill. And today I'm going to clean these up, season them, and get them ready for cooking. Now, a lot of the times when you get new cooking grates or even new pans, if they're cast iron or carbon steel, you need to season them. They have sort of a dull, shiny color on them when you get them, and you want that more of a dark, almost slick look. Now, every manufacturer has their own instructions. I purchased these. They're custom made from the burn shop in Wichita Falls, Texas, so I'm going to follow their instructions. I went ahead and washed these just using plain water and some mild dish detergent, dried them off. Now it's time to get a light coating of oil on them and get them on the pellet grill to season. So I'm using a spray canola oil, and we're just going to get a light coating on both sides and the edges, everything. Just going to use a paper towel to evenly spread that out, run it around the edges. Now these are 3/16 inch thick carbon steel, and we're going to be seasoning them at 350 degrees on the pellet grill today. That's going to take about 2 to 3 hours, and every 30 minutes we're going to give the top surface a light spray of oil. So let's get them on the grill. All right, gonna let those go. Be back here in 30 minutes to check them, give them a spray of oil. All right, we are 3 hours in. I did one more seasoning with that oil at the 2.5 hour mark, shut the grill down, so we're just a little over 3 hours right now. Let's take a look. Nice dark color on those, and as you cook on these, they're gonna get even darker. Not too long ago, I did the similar process on my Art of Flame griddle that's on one of my kettles. Takes on a really dark color, nice slick surface, and all I do when I cook on that is scrape the food off when I'm done and apply a light coat of oil, and this is gonna be the same. Now, one of the reasons I replaced the stock grates in this pellet grill is I wanted a flatter cooking surface. So if I do want to really fire this up, get it hot, and do some direct grilling on here, this carbon steel, which is 3/16 of an inch thick, will absorb a lot of heat and create a really nice even cooking surface, I hope. But also, I just like the looks of this better, and food's going to move across this more easily. Someone said, well, aren't you restricting the airflow because these are much smaller spaces in between? I don't believe so. I did the math on the outflow vent that's in this grill and air coming in, and there's plenty of airflow. So as I mentioned, I ordered these from a place called the Burn Shop in Wichita Falls, Texas. These cost $120 delivered. I could have had my logo cut into them or any design I want. I think that probably would have cost more, but I just wanted nice, solid cooking grates. And yeah, that's pricey, but this is what I wanted. I was willing to spend the money because I plan to keep this grill for quite a while, and I want the cooking grates to last, and I want them to deliver the performance I want. So there you have it. That's how you season carbon steel cooking grates. It's very similar to how you season carbon steel pans, and similar to how you season cast iron. Got to give it a good coat of oil, get it heated up, follow whoever the manufacturer's directions are, maintain it, and you should have a cooking surface, a pan, whatever you're using, it's going to last a lifetime.